Hey guys, it's Simon here with Squickmon's. Today we're going to go over how to make a custom shock tab. So a lot of off-road industry that we have as customers, they purchase the machine specifically to do this. So you have the option here to utilize the machine to not just design parts or not just design artistic things or stuff for people, but you can do in-house products or things that you're currently subbing out. So if we go on the Art Pro screen here, we're going to have under our CAD window, we have the options here to select any one of these shapes. So we're going to select circle right here. I'm just going to draw this out. We're just going to do a standard shock tab. This is going to be a 3-inch diameter. So we're going to click tab until we get to diameter on the right hand menu. 3-inch diameter. This will be for like a 3-inch axle shaft, and then we'll go to line, and we're going to do for construction on the right hand side. This allows you to draw and utilize these lines. You can put them anywhere, and they're not going to be cut lines. So from here you can say, okay, I want my center hole to my shock tab to be maybe 4.5 inches above my above my point of contact on my radius there over the axle tab. So, over the axle shaft. So let's do this. Enter. Now we have that anchor point there, and we're going to do another circle and anchor it up at the top. And then now, generally these are like 1/2 inch or 5/8, so I'm just going to do 0.625 diameter. There we go. And then I'm going to do one more circle around that, and I'm going to do this one with a 1/2 inch band, so 1.625. Like that. And then now I'm just going to draw a line. So I'm going to draw this out in space. You'll see why I'm doing this in a minute. As I drag down here, we're going to wait till we see that little tangent symbol. So you'll notice up here, this is the tangent function. So look for that same symbol down here. Oh, that's a quadrant symbol. Right there. Same thing. Draw this down. Tangent. And we could have drawn this line, or we could have mirrored the other line, but once that's done, we're going to move this one over. We're going to look for that same tangent symbol right there. Grab the node, same tangent symbol right there. And let's see down at the bottom if we're still good. Tangent. Yep, right there's tangent. So we're going to look for that tangent symbol. There it is. Alright, so now we have our tab. Now we're going to go over this, and we're just going to trim. So we're going to put T, trim, 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 and should be good. So we'll send this over. You could also fill in these corners, but we're going to send this over here. I'm going to delete this line. There's our shock tab, and you can obviously nest multiples of these if you want to. You can place your lead in down here internally where it's going to have a little well portion, so have it eventually there. So there it is. So there's your shock tab. You go through and select your material thickness. You'd be able to utilize these on your own cars, your own axles, or you can sell these parts. There's a lot of places that got custom tabs. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to us. Support@squickmons.com. You can send emails there for video requests, any questions. Also, we have on our website, we have a contact us form. We always encourage to make video requests. We gladly put these videos together for you to better help you utilize your machines to the fullest capability. So we look forward to talking